We're giving them an investment in the rest of their life. Things like prom, things like their wedding day. That's all the end game here, is to get them a great smile that they're confident in, and every time they smile, it lights up a room.
Staff was really pleasant to talk to and work with, and it was such an easy process to walk through. It just worked out really well.
This is a quality guy. He really puts a lot of effort into his work, and he will do whatever to make sure that the self-confidence is there with the kids and that you're very well pleased with your service.
That's what we want to do here. Yes, we're dentists, orthodontists, and we straighten teeth and we talk about gums and flossing and brushing and this and that, but at the end of the day, it's the relationship that's huge.
And when we come in, everybody is super nice and calls her by name, and even if they're not working with her, they know, oh, there's Afton, and she's always happy to come.
The day you get your braces on is an awesome day. We try to celebrate it, have a great time. The day you get your braces off is probably even a better day. That's a day that we celebrate. We sing songs, we have poppers, we wear funny hats, we take pictures, we try to blast social media. It's a great memory because all we want is a relationship out of this.
I've been a patient ever since I was in 5th grade. You know, as a kid, you kind of be scared going into a doctor's office, but he kind of took that, made that a lot more easy for sure to, take your mind off of it, make you think of other things, but, definitely recommend this place to anyone.
It's just very relaxing to come here and to know that everything will be taken care of. So it's really a good experience.
We just really want people to feel like they are getting high quality, modern orthodontic treatment at a very fair price, but where at the end of the day, they know that their investment was worth it. That smile and their confidence in their kid was every bit worth it.